Reserve parking. Done it. There you go. What's up, Muddy Throttle Off-Road? It is Sunday, and our buddy Greg here just got himself a new toy. What's up? Don't remember Greg.
What's happening?
We gotta go. Water being pulled out like that's a tsunami. I see it!
Got seconds on the bases. Well, y'all, I got again. Tell you the truth, I don't even know why I shower in the morning. Because I end up like this. Every time. How'd it feel? I hope so. You got me. I didn't realize how in the splash zone I was. Oh yeah, man.
I think she did pretty well.
What's up, y'all? It's Paul from Muddy Throttle Off-Road. Just want to give y'all a big shout out for watching all of our stuff, liking, subscribing. We recently got over 200,000 views on YouTube, and we would just want to say we greatly appreciate it. There's new stuff on the way. Be sure to check that out. Oh, God! Good God! I'm done with that thing. I'm done. I'm not getting on it again. I'm gonna put it in the pond. But if you go and check out the end of this video, you'll see what I, old Skin and Thorough, finally got. I finally got something just to give it the old. Did I get an Outlander? Maybe I got an Outlander. Ooh. Maybe I got a Honda. No, the hell I didn't. I didn't do that. But check out the end of this video to see what I did get. Make sure you be checking out our Instagram stories as well, where we're gonna be posting daily vlogs and whatnot on there. But you still had a rough board. That's because I showed him the unit. Maybe that's what I got. Ooh, baby.
Did you measure?
Hell no, I guess.
He needs aftermarket floorboards for that thing.
Ooh, yeah. That's a two-seater, baby. Oh, you gotta get my lid. What the fuck? I didn't do that.
Oh, I can't have done that thing. I'm pretty sure I bruised one of your ribs on that. Stay tuned. Lord help us.
God, hey, yo, what's up?
Y'all should go check out, wait till the end of this video.